Yes, this is a walker. One I have been using since December 31st, 2020. And this is how my day starts practically every day. In this particular episode of the Boomer Beat, I want to share with you my journey of having not one, but two hip replacements in less than 3 months. Many of you know about the first one that I had on September the 16th. But then my left hip got so bad that no longer was the oxycodone not working, and this is the good stuff. But the doctor recommended that I have another surgery. So I had to make a decision. Do I do it before the end of the year, or do I go into the new year, limping into the new year and then having another date? So I decided, for insurance purposes, as well as my own ability to walk again, to have the surgery. So join me as I document some of the experiences I went through in the hospital as a patient. Okay, I initially said I wasn't going to post anything about this surgery at Duke, but this is crazy now. So I have been in the recovery since 10 a.m. It is now almost 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and I'm not really sure what's going on other than the fact that I've been told that there are not a lot of beds because there are a lot of patients here as a result of COVID and other emergencies. So, needless to say, I ain't happy about it. I mean, that's how you do it. Oh, you got a gift for me? Oh, that's sweet. You've been to New Orleans?
For everybody.
Oh, that's sweet. Thank you. So, get down on it.
Get down on it.
All right now. Hey.
Everything Take to the right. And y'all know y'all was on that floor.
Yes, we were.
Y'all was the original.
We were the original. That's right. Soul Train line. That's right.
That's why my daddy got bad knees now. I said, your mom don't want to tell me the truth, but I know.
Good news, you